Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Fiat 500 spark plug step by step. First, ensure your engine is completely cold for safety. Gather all your necessary tools, including a 16mm spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. You will also need pincers, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Don't forget your new spark plugs and some anti-seize lubricant for installation. Now let's get to those spark plugs. Begin by opening your hood and protecting your car's paintwork with a fender cover. Next, disconnect the air intake pipe from the air filter housing. Use a 10mm socket to undo the fastening screws on the air filter cover. Release any clips, then carefully remove the entire air filter housing. Remember to cover the throttle body opening to keep out dust and debris. With access clear, gently disconnect the spark plug wire connectors, working one at a time. Use compressed air to clean any dirt from the spark plug wells before removal. Now, unscrew each old spark plug using your 16mm socket and ratchet. For the new plugs, apply a thin layer of anti-seize lubricant to the threads. Hand tighten them first to prevent cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten each to 25 Nm. Almost done. Reconnect all the spark plug wire connectors, listening for a distinct click to confirm they are secure. Carefully reinstall the air filter housing, ensuring it sits correctly. Screw the air filter cover back into place and reconnect the air intake pipe. Finally, remove your fender protection cover and close the hood. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to ensure everything is operating smoothly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.